Hey folks, I'm Mr. McWhorter, and I'm going to share a little information with you about our Digital Electronics Honors class. In this class, we're going to learn a lot about the basics of circuit design, and we're going to create a bunch of our own circuits and learn how to use electronics and logic to control the electronic devices. We will be using Google Classroom. I will be posting all assignments on Google Classroom, and that is the hub that we use to meet with our virtual meetings. Email is the preferred method of communication if you need to get a hold of me for any reason. And PowerSchool is where we're going to keep our grades. Our grades are going to be figured with a total point system, with just a traditional grading scale. Students' grades are going to be figured based on assignments and projects that they complete. I do believe in retake and redo. So if a student needs to take some extra time to understand a certain topic, I do encourage students to relearn and redo. And I do raise grades for successfully completing that sort of thing. My late work policy is generally I accept late work. Within a week there will be no penalty, but after a week, usually about 50% off. Office hours are going to be 1 to 3 on weekdays, where students can email me during those times. They'll get immediate individual help. And if you have any questions or concerns at all, please email me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.